Hello everybody, I'm Little Al, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play a little part of Restoring the Light Facing the Dark from Ori and the Blind Forest on tuba. If you want, there will be a link in the description on the tuba version, but I will first play it for you, and then I will show you how to play it. So, first, I apologize, I messed up a little bit. But I'm gonna try to tell you how to do it, so I'll do it like little by little. So for this part, so all you gotta do, you start by playing 4th position D, like this. First position F. Go 3rd position E flat, 4th position D, 6th position C, and then 1st position low B flat, and then you get the first part. Then you just play F, E flat, D, E flat. Then play the same thing you did at the beginning, but then also add 2nd position A and 3rd position A flat. So you play it like this. So you'll play F, E flat, D, C, B flat, A flat, A, B flat, and then you just do what you did at the beginning, scratch the little D at the beginning, go F, E flat, D, C, B flat, then you do F, E flat, D, E flat. Then you play E flat, F, G, which is 4th position, G. You play G, 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 F, high B flat, G, E flat, F, E flat, F, E flat, D, C, or... And then you cycle through everything again until you get to this part again. Then you go... So, in total, it will go like this. Like that. Alright, thank you for watching. I will see you again in another video.